Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan, see Yukini. This time, I'm going to do Q&A time today. Yeah, Q&A. I will just answer your question. Andre, Kuya Yuki, Kanusa Kamubalik Dirisa Pilipinas, Basin, Agosto sa current Twiga. Maybe, not maybe, I will go to the Philippines this summer in August. なんでビザヤわかるの? Nganon kabaro ka magbisaya? Because my wife is from Bohol and I've been doing Binisaya and Yuki for 3 years and a half. So I've been studying Bisaya, hinai, little by little. Eli Akim. Yamete kudasai, Yuki-san. Yamete kudasai in Bisaya. Ayaw ko batapako.
Ayaw ko ulit, sakit ka. Ayaw ko ulit.
Na I sing Daghan na any reason why you love Filipino? Oh, I'm just comfortable. Filipino polite. Actually, na I Daghan magay doon tawo sa city. Pero gentle. Many people are gentle and polite. Yeah, something like when I'm carrying a suitcase, many fucking people talk to me like
give me money.
when I going to catch a taxi in the taxi stand. A man was waiting for something and I was waiting a taxi and the person carried my suitcase and put it in the trunk and the person said
100.
it's okay. I just gave him like 10 pesos. Gamay na. The experience was before Binisan Yuki. So if I experience it, I would record it and I publish it. Next, Yuki-san, why there's a lot of single men in Japan? I don't know. Is that real? How about in the Philippines? Lalaki, raise your hand. Marisa is asking you. Lalaki, are you single or married? Maybe perhaps Filipino marry in early age, maybe, and the Japanese take longer time to get married. Opinion, maybe like 30 years old. Okay, next. Yuki! Why are you crying? Stop crying. I'm here. I'm here to hug you. Oh, it's okay. Daniel, where are you located in Bohol? Located?
Huh?
Am I like statue? Osaka, Japan. No, not Bohol. I'm in Osaka, Japan. Nani chance maka-uyab og Haponesa dira? Oh, of course, yeah. Yeah, you can find anytime if you take action. Just take action. No action. Walay uyab. Just take action. Imo mama blue. What do you mean? My mother is blue. My mother is blue. Like Avatar. My mother blue because she's washing her face with pH here. Unsay chada Aduon sa Japan? What's Aduon? Go? Maybe what's the beautiful place in Japan to visit? You should come to Osaka, Kyoto, Nara because there are lots of historical structures such as castles and and temples, shrines, and cheap and delicious foods, and so friendly people, and especially Osaka people is so funny. Like when you act like just hand gun, you do like this bang, and Osaka people react like always react. Of course, not everyone, but many people react. What's Pookie? Jai, Pookie. Oka Yuki. What? Am I human? No. Android. No. I'm just angel. I'm just an angel. Pako. Hi Yuki, okay ka? Okay ra kung ulo. Kaya nakaka-street food sa Pilipinas, Kuya Yuki. Nakakaon ko Filipino street food. Oh, yeah. Oh. Balot. It's I don't like it actually. Okay, salamat sa pagtanaw sa kong live. How was your vacation? I hope you enjoyed a lot. Oyasumi. Salamat. See you next time. Bye.